Hello, today I'm going to be doing some buttonholes and showing you how we use the buttonhole attachment. And I'm going to be doing it in 3 different sizes, the buttonhole sizes. Now I've got a tiny one, medium-sized one, and I didn't have one that was a little bit larger than that, so I'm using the spool holder cap. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get our fabric. Okay. Going to place it under the foot. Now, the foot always starts sewing at the bottom of the buttonhole. It'll start that tack first. It'll do bottom, left, top, and come back around to the right and back down to the bottom again. You want to put your button, which I'm going to show you the size of this. I don't know if you can see it, but it is smaller than my thumbnail. It's just a little bit larger than half the size of my thumbnail. It goes in the very back. There's a little slide section that comes out. I'm going to place it there. And push that slide so it holds that button in place. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to get your needle and place it where you want the bottom of the buttonhole to start. Now, I've already done a few of them just to show you. So I'm going to put my needle right here. This is where I want to start. Going to lower the presser foot. Now, there is a buttonhole lever on mine over to the left. You're going to push that back. And you're going to go ahead and start sewing. Now, I start slow, just so I can get a few stitches in. Go in and trim, and then just continue. Okay, we've completed that one. And this is the one that I just did. It's the same as these. I already practiced on these. Okay, so the next one that we're going to do, we want to remove the button. So pull the slide out. This is the next size. And as you can see, it's almost as large as my thumbnail. Okay, doesn't matter if it's got a curve that goes up or down. You're going to place it in the back, that slide. Push the slide forward so it holds it in place. Get your fabric. You're going to position your fabric where you want the button to start at the bottom. Give me a second, let me get this thread out. Push the lever back. That engages this buttonhole foot. As you notice, when it reaches the back, it comes forward. This is what the back looks like. It's so neat. Stitches are really, really great. And there's the one we just did. So let me take that button out. Now, I didn't have a larger one, so I'm using the small spool holder. Position your fabric where you're going to put the needle. It's going to be at the bottom of the buttonhole. That's where it's going to start. Lower the foot. Engage the buttonhole lever. Do a couple of stitches. Clip the thread. And then just let the machine do the work. And there you go. Look how beautiful they are. They're just perfect. Now you can always adjust your stitch width, but I like mine like this. Now let me go ahead and show you what the foot looks like. So you just press at the back. This is where you're going to put your button. Whatever size it is. Now, it'll only go so big. So this is a little over, maybe 1.25 inches. Button will fit in there. This is where you attach the foot. So, again, this is the Brother LS-590 mechanical sewing machine, and it does sew beautifully. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has been helpful, and you have a wonderful rest of your day.